Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the polynomials practice set 3.2. Till the last video, we have cleared with all the operations on polynomial I have explained. So today we will start with the practice set. So first question of this is add the given polynomial. So we will take this question 2y square plus 7y plus 5, 3y plus 9, 3y square minus 4y minus 3. So here how to add this one. So first of all, you will write as it is the sum without the bracket. First write it 2y square plus 7y plus 5 bracket, then plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Now we will remove the bracket. Y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Then we will write the like terms, we will write it. So like terms means 3y square and 2y square. 2y square plus 3y square. Then plus 7y plus 3y and minus 4y. Then constant terms are there. So plus 5 plus 9 and minus 3. So now sort it out. 2y square plus 3y square plus 7y square. So what we will get here? 2y square plus 3y square. We will get 5y square. And here 3y, 7, 3 and minus 4. That means 7 plus 3. Here 10, 10 minus 4. That is 6. So 6y. Here 5 plus 9 minus 3. So we are getting plus 11. So next question is subtract the second polynomial from the first. So here the question x square minus 9x plus root 3 minus 19 plus root 3 plus 7x square. So here what is the question? Subtract the second polynomial from the first. So first we will write it, that is x square minus 9x plus root 3 in the bracket minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. So we will remove the bracket minus 9x plus root 3, minus multiply minus, that we will get plus. So plus 19x minus multiply plus minus root 3, then here minus 7x square. Now the like terms will be written in the pair. So here x square and here minus 7x square. So first write it that, then minus 9x plus 19x, then plus root 3 minus root 3. So what answer we'll get here? Minus 6x square and plus 10x plus root 3 and minus root 3 will get cancelled. Now come to the multiplication. The question is multiply the given polynomial. So 2y plus y multiply y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. So here first of all 2y will be multiplied with whole. So this one 2y multiply y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Then plus 1 multiplied with y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. That is equals to, we will now remove the bracket, 2y cube y1 and here y square. Similarly minus 2 to the 4 y raised to 4. Then plus 3 to the 6 6y square. And here 1 is multiplied, means as it is you will write it down. Y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now just pair the same degree, that is the like terms, you will write it. So pairing, fourth degree is only 1. So we will write it first, the highest degree, then cube. So here plus 2y cube, then here minus 2y cube, then y square is plus 6y square and here plus y square and 3y plus 3y. Now what we are getting here? So we are getting y minus 2y square, y cube and plus 2y cube. This will be cancelled. So minus 4y raised to 4, then plus 6 plus 1 here 7y square plus 3y. Therefore 2y plus 1 multiply y square minus 2y cube plus 3y equals to minus 4y raised to 4 plus 7y square plus 3y. Now come to the division form. Divide first polynomial by second polynomial and write the answer in the form of dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So this question we will take it, and first we will find the dividend. So what is the dividend over here? So dividend will be equal to x cube minus 64 over here. That means here x cube minus 64 means here what we can write? After the cube directly constant term is there. That means x cube plus 0 x raised to square plus 0 x minus 64. So now we will start the division. So the question is x minus 4, then the division sign and write the dividend over here. So we have written the dividend here and the divisor over here. So let's start the division. So here x minus 4, that means x will be multiplied with this, so x square. So x square multiplied with x, we will get x cube. So then minus 4x square, that means minus 4x square. Then just put the minus sign over here and it will be cancelled. Here it will get plus the opposite symbol of this. So here plus 4x square. Now next step will be plus 4x. So 4x multiply x, that we will get 4x square. Then 4x multiplied with minus 4, what we will get? Minus 16x. So minus 16x. So here same thing we will write here. This will be written over here down. Then here minus, this is cancelled. Then opposite symbol plus, so 16x. Now this will be written over here. So write here minus 64. So now the next step will be over here, that is minus, here we want 16x, that means plus 16 we will multiply it with x. So what we will get? Plus 16x. Then 16 multiply 4, what we will get? 64. So minus 64. So there will be no remainder over here. This is minus and this is plus. So both will be cancelled. 0, 0 here. Similar way here also we will write the 0. So here the quotient and the remainder, what we are getting, that is the quotient equals to x square plus 4x plus 16. Then the remainder we are getting 0 here. So remainder equals to 0. So we have to write in the formula, that is dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So dividend divisor, so first dividend we will write it. So x cube minus 64 equals to x minus 4 multiply x square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder is 0. So it in the form you have to write. So quotient, that is dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now we will move to the synthetic division, that is the practice set 3.3. So one example we will do for synthetic division so that it will be more clear for you. X raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. So in the synthetic division method, first of all we have to write the standard form of the dividend polynomial. So here first of all we will write the standard form of the dividend polynomial. So x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now its index form we will write, that is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now its coefficient form we will write it. So here for x raised to 4, 1. For x raised to cube it will be 2, and like this here 3 and 4 and here 5. Now divisor polynomial. So divisor polynomial in the question it is given, that is x plus 2. So x plus 2, that means therefore what we can write, x will be equals to minus 2. So here we have to write in this, first of all divisor polynomial you will write. After writing divisor polynomial, x plus 2. So x plus 2 will be equals to 0. So x will be minus 2. So taking that as a divisor polynomial, we will start the synthetic division method. So first of all minus 2, that is from divisor polynomial you will write it, and then from the coefficient what we have written in the coefficient form, that numbers we will write it up. So here first of all we will write it, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The coefficient form you can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that only I have written. So here now how to multiply in this division synthetic division method. So here as it is, this should be written, okay, the first number. So here it will be 1. Now 1 minus 2, that will be multiplied. So here 1 minus 2, that is minus 2. So 2 and minus 2 you will subtract, we will get 0. So 0 multiply minus 2, what we will get? 0. So 3 minus 0 we will get 3. 3 multiply minus 2, minus 6. So minus 6 write it. Minus 6 plus 4 we will get minus 2. So minus 2 multiply minus 2, minus 4. Plus 4 we will get minus multiply minus, plus 2 2s are 4. So 4. So 5 plus 4 we will get 9. So this last term, if we are getting any number, it will be remainder. So here it will be remainder equals to 9. So now remainder you got 9. Now quotient in coefficient form. What we will get in the coefficient form? 1, 0, 3 minus 2. That only we will write it coefficient form. That is 1, 0, 3, minus 2. This remainder will be written separately. Now quotient in the form, so x cube plus 0 x square plus 3x minus 2. So here the value what we are getting, x cube plus 3x minus 2. So the value in the dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder in that form. So first of all it is written the dividend. So here divisor is x plus 2 multiply the quotient what we get, x square plus x cube plus 3x minus 2, and the remainder is minus 9. So that we will write it. So hope you must have understood the synthetic division. It is very easy. You should go for 2 to 3 practice, then you will get the answer easily. Hope you must have understood the explanation.